Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So as you already know, we are doing a project series in our channel, and this will be our second project on in the YouTube. But I have already done all the project, like 40 plus projects are there, and still I'm adding a project on the daily basis on GitHub. You can follow our our GitHub account. So this is our GitHub account, so you can follow it, and yeah, just practice those projects. I'll give the detailed information on the readme file, so you can check and test those projects. Just clone and test those projects. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. And in this project we are going to uh, like perform about the how to secure the credentials using GitHub Secrets. Okay, secure the DockerHub credentials and AWS credential in the GitHub Secrets in this specific projects. And we'll take a simple Flask application and containerize it with Docker, and then use GitHub Actions to build the image, push it to the DockerHub, and deploy it automatically to an AWS EC2 instance, all without exposing any credentials in the code. So we won't be giving any code here, so we won't be adding any credentials in the code, but we'll the, once you push your Flask application, it automatically log into the DockerHub and then deploy it automatically to the AWS EC2 instance. By the end of this video, you will know how to store the sensitive data like Docker Hub credentials and SSH keys securely in GitHub Secrets, and use them inside the CI/CD pipeline. Got it? So this is a repo, and I will also show you a diagram. So how we have this setup. Okay, first this is a GitHub repo, then it will pull to the it will access the GitHub Actions, then log into the Docker Hub and push it to the AWS EC2 instance. Then you can browse the application. Let me quickly show you the architecture here. So GitHub Actions build a Docker image for my Flask application. It pushes the image to the Docker Hub, then it SSH into a EC2 instance on AWS. On the EC2 machine, it pulls the latest Docker image and runs the container on port 80. So the main challenge here is credentials. We need Docker Hub username and token, and EC2 public IP, okay, the public IP address, and SSH private key. So you can, like, while you are creating a EC2 instance, you can download the private key, and once creating the EC2 instance, you will have the public key. You can just give that information in the Docker Hub. So here is a Docker Hub. So you can click on the actions, and then here you can give the credentials, the SSH name, the public key, and Docker username and token. Got it? And I'll show you the repo structure. So app.py. See, if you check here, so app.py, requirements.txt, and Docker file. And in the GitHub workflows, I'm using the deploys with secret.yaml file. So that the YAML file will write everything on the YAML file. So using the YAML file only, the GitHub Actions will work. Okay, and yeah, so just clone this and run this locally. You can test in the locally, like add these commands. Once everything is done, you can run a docker build -t GitHub Secrets app dot and run container. Once build the image, then run the container. Docker run -p. So the 5000 the port which you want to give, and then GitHub Secrets app. Then after the successful GitHub Actions run, so open your uh, the IP address with HTTP slash IP address, then you can see this. Uh, you can see this in the browser itself once you access. Because see, I'm not showing exactly, because I have already deleted this IP address. I have deleted everything. So if I want to do, I just need to like make some changes on the code and create the new EC2 instance. But you just need to follow these steps even if I test lively. So even though if I test everything here, so still you need to perform in the same steps. You don't need to like see the each and every step. I have written clearly and I'm explaining clearly. So just follow these steps, and I think you can successfully create the credentials securely. Yeah, that's about today's project. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll come up with the new videos uh, every day. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe and comment me for the more projects and more videos. If you have any ideas, just let me know. Thank you so much. Bye bye.